This 2017 Peugeot Partner Tepee 1.6 BlueHDi Allure is a superb wheelchair-accessible vehicle, offering excellent usability, comfort and efficiency. Finished in silver, it has covered just 14,145 miles, with 2 owners and a full service history, leaving it in excellent condition. The 1.6 BlueHDi diesel engine produces 98 brake horsepower through a manual gearbox, returning up to 68.9 miles per gallon. Road tax is only £17 per month, and as a Euro 6 diesel it is fully ULEZ compliant. Light steering, good visibility and comfortable suspension make it easy to drive in town or on longer journeys. Inside, Allure trim provides a bright, practical cabin with a 7-inch touchscreen, navigation, Bluetooth, DAB, USB, and steering wheel controls. Air conditioning, cruise control, and adjustable seating add everyday comfort. The conversion features a lowered floor, rear manual ramp and electric winch, with seating for driver, 2 passengers and 1 wheelchair user. A 4-point restraint system secures the chair safely. This versatile adapted vehicle is available now for £10,495. Finance options are available, pre-approved finance checks on our website. All our vehicles come with a service, a 12-month MOT, 6 months nationwide warranty, extended warranties available, and free 12 months breakdown cover as part of our AA Dealer Promise Agreement, ensuring ongoing roadworthiness and safety. Please don't hesitate to contact us by phone on 01424870651 or email us for more information.